I recently picked up a 1959 Massey Ferguson 202 work bull at an incredible price. From what I understand, the work bull is the industrial version of the agricultural Massey Ferguson 35. Who else out there is still running an old Massey Ferguson? It was a package deal, so it also came with a 6-foot brush hog, 2 back blades, a 3-point wood splitter, a metal lawn roller, and a bunch of miscellaneous tractor parts. The tractor had been sitting for a few years, so it struggled to start when I first bought it. I installed a new carburetor, and now it's running great. I gave the whole tractor a deep scrub and power wash, and honestly it doesn't even look like the same machine anymore. Once it's mechanically sound, I definitely see a paint job in its future. In my last video, I showed the process of repainting my dad's Massey Ferguson 135. If you'd like to check it out, here's a quick before and after. I also repainted my 1953 Ford Jubilee. Maybe I'll make a full video on that in the future too, but for now, here's another before and after. In my upcoming videos, I'm going to go through the tractor front to back. I plan to do a complete fluid change, replace some hydraulic lines, rewire the entire tractor, and fix whatever else I find along the way. I appreciate you watching, and I hope you follow along for my future projects. I post a new video every Saturday.